Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the dollar bead box for November of 2023. I'm very excited. I have seen the unboxing already from somebody else, but I won't spoil it for you in case if you didn't. If you are interested in this, you can use my code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave a link below to the dollar bead box and my code as well. So let's see, November 2023 dollar bead bag. And these are the check fire polish beads. You can get this in addition to the box, and it's $8 for 8 strands. And there's 50 beads on each strand. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, look at, we have some Christmas colors. Oh, I love when they send them in November, because when they send them in December, it's kind of hard because you don't, you know, by the time you do an unboxing and make the jewelry, Christmas is here. So this just said the holidays will be here before we know it, so we thought we'd help out a bit with this month's box. We've included lots of red, green, and white with accents of gold, bronze, and silver. In addition to our wide selection of colorful beads, we also have a few suggestions to help with quick and easy seasonal projects. Oh, charms, angels, pine trees, stars, beads, earring kits, and that's all of their information there. So here is the list. So let me get everything out and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start with, I'm gonna start with the 3-strand fire polish beads. So this is the pearlized hunter green. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if it's coming out of view or not. And each one of these, I mean, if you have like a 7-inch wrist, each one of these you could make a bracelet with. Or you could just do like a nice wrap bracelet or a memory wire or something and mix all these together. And have a gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. Look how pretty. Love. And this is the opaque white. You can't tell if it's in view or not. I love it. It's such a bright white. I mean, it really would stand out on anything you use it for. And this is the matte Siam. Nice pretty red color. And then the last of the 3 is the metallic rhubarb or light metallic rhubarb. I think this is the metallic rhubarb. I love these ones with the AB finish like this. I use these up right away. I use these for everything. There's for like spacers and necklaces, earrings, bracelets, anything. Anywhere you want to add a little pop of sparkle, these are perfect. So now to get to the 4mm, this is the matte opaque jet. Look how pretty that. I love this. You can use this to make more of like a masculine bracelet too. You know, it's a nice black. Could be used for either. And next is the crystal half gold and crystal full coat gold. So this is the half gold because I see some silver in there. Yeah, and they're like only half of the fire polish bead is got gold in it. But yeah, it's a lot you can do with these. And next is the pearl white or opaque white luster. This is the pearl white. So this is the nice difference from the opaque white. There's opaque white and pearl white. So really pretty. And last for these is the matte Siam or just Siam. These are, let me see. These are the matte Siam. Yeah. They do have a little bit of sparkle to them, but not much. So look at these. Oh, look how beautiful these look together. It's like Christmas is here already. Oh, love these. I'm going to put these back into the bag. Hope everybody's doing well. I had 3 craft shows in 5 days. Oh my gosh, was I tired. I did really well at them though. So next, look at all these beauties. Oh. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at these. Oh, and these. Look at, gorgeous. I have another craft show coming up on, I think it's the 9th. So any Christmas jewelry I make with this, I'm going to use it there. So let me get everything organized. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start with the 10mm check glass lined oval, dark green with bronze. There's 8 pieces on here. These are really cool. Got a cool feel to them too. And they're that bronze etching on them really makes them stand out. These would be really pretty for earrings. You know, you could do these and even do like a little cap on there, which we'll get to later. And next we have check glass pearls, 6mm and 3mm in celadon or Celadon, I'm not sure. Sorry about that. This is a 20 piece and that's a 40 piece. So it's nice you have them in 2 different sizes. So if you're doing bead weaving with these, sometimes you just need a 3mm. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So those are really pretty. And next is the 4mm check glass Drak in Siam, 48 pieces. Really like these. Loving these colors. And next is the 6mm check glass 2-hole square matte Siam or Siam matte green. So we got the matte Siam, 20 ver quantity. These are pretty. I've been doing a lot of bead weaving and using the 2-hole beads lately. I love the way those look. And these are really cool. 11 by 12mm check glass ornamental cushion, dark green with bronze, 8 pieces. These could be really, you can use these for a lot. These would be really pretty earrings. Look at that etching on them. How cool is that? It's on both sides. Absolutely beautiful. So now getting to the additional items. This is an 8 by 20mm check glass drop. Red opal with travertine, 2 pieces. These would make beautiful drop earrings. I love that travertine on there. If you can see that, the way I'm holding it. Beautiful drop earrings. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is 6 by 11mm check glass leaves in dark teal, 12 pieces. And the hole is up here on the top. A nice rich green color. Oh. And next, these are really cool. 6 by 7mm check glass barrel, green, red, multicolor, 4 pieces. Oh, those are cool. Almost looks like, doesn't look like a red. Looks more like a, I don't know. Because it's striped. I don't know if you can, I don't know if it's, if I'm doing it a disservice by putting it that close, but you can see there's like striations through the red side, but not so much on the green. They're really pretty, very unique looking. And next are the 6mm check glass flowers, red with rainbow iris. This just 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I didn't get 20. I just got, looks like I got 15. But very pretty. That might be a typo. Very pretty though. I like using these as bead caps too. When they have really pretty, when the sides are really pretty like that, because you can see a lot of the color. And next, oh, these are pretty. 14 millimeter check glass, 2-hole buttons, red AB, 2 pieces. Oh, so that's one side and that's the other. These are really pretty. Love. And next is 5 by 14 millimeter check glass spike in white opal, 8 pieces. These are cool. I've just used these as like daggers on a necklace before, where I will string them and I'll put like a bead in between them and just do them in the front. Gives it kind of a not goth, but just kind of more like industrial look to the necklace then. It's really cool though. And next is 16 millimeter square brass stamping, quantity 2. Oh, these have like a cushion to them. You can see that they have like an indent right in here. Yeah, and that's the bottom half, bottom part. You can see these are really pretty, and they've got holes on all 4 sides. I mean, you could really make some, I've got some ideas for these. Yeah. Very pretty. And next is 6 millimeter check glass cathedral cut chrysolite, 14 pieces. My daughter's name is Chrysa, C-H-R-Y-S-A, after her Yaya Chrysanthi, who was my mom. It's a Greek name, so when I see Chryso, I think of my daughter. So these are really pretty. Love all the sparkle in them. And next, 8 by 10 millimeter check glass gumdrops in dark green. Okay, these look like those, what were they called, those gumdrops we used to get as kids. These are cool. And the holes up here at the top. These are really pretty. Got a little bit of weight to them too. And next, oh, I love their check glass tabular rectangles. These are 8 by 12 millimeter dark green opal, 4 pieces. I love these. They give them to us in all different colors. They're so smooth and soft too. And they have that little etching right up there. Love these. And next is 10 millimeter faceted dyed jade round rubies, 2 pieces. Oh, look how pretty these are. These are really pretty. I love them that they're faceted. Gorgeous. And next are 8 by 8 millimeter check glass flat stars opaque white AB, 6 pieces. And it goes through here. Let me get a head pin and show you. Oop. So that's how they go. Very pretty. And next is the 4x8mm pewter corrugated rondelles in antique silver. 3 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah. These make a nice little spacer bead, like for a pair of earrings. And last but not least, we have a Swarovski 8mm graphic cube, 5603, Siam, 1 piece. This is gorgeous. So this is where the hole's at. Oh, wow. And it's odd shape. Look at that, how pretty that is. This is so pretty. You could like just put it on a little eye pin on both sides with maybe a few extra beads on here, and then just string it onto a necklace. It's gorgeous. It's got something written on it. But it's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, you can use my code BNJewelry2 for 2% off your first order with them. I will leave that coupon code below, and I will also leave a link to the Dollar Bead Boxes website. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so, because I have a lot of tutorials coming up, and we've got some, you know, lots of fun to have. So, and I also have links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest, if you would like to follow me on there as well. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on my next video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.